Welcome to Seed to Life. This is a travel video especially for people interested in gardening. This is Disney's Skyliner and it is taking us to this beautiful Epcot theme park in Disney. In this video, I'm going to take you on an indoor tour to the Disney Biotechnology Lab. It is a collaborative initiative by Disney and USDA, that is the Department of Agriculture. Some of the attractions in this park are Pandora Avatar immersive ride, then the flower festival, and there was also World Showcase. I went there in June, so I don't know if the World Showcase is still there, but my favorite part was flower festival and biotechnology lab. You can take a tour also to the seed lab, but we didn't have enough time, so we couldn't go there. So without further ado, let's see it. We are entering the greenhouse where the plants are grown very creatively, so enjoy the experience.
Where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, banana, source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. The water lily thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, the starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One These lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 2 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
Fluted pumpkin.
The common grains growing here, sorghum and millet plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Research around the world.
Prickly pear, cotton, hyacinth.
These plants are definitely on their way up.
Wow, extremely
Innovative
hot
growing
pepper.
techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer. Another innovation at work
9-pound
here is our
lemon.
integrated populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests, natural pesticides.
Eggplants.
We're growing these. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area. These crops taste as good as they look. Our greenhouses and restaurants here at the land every year.
White eggplants.
May include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grow this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production.
My sweet
Combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yields.
Oh, it's hanging. Do you see the roots? Purple basil, chives, pineapple sage.
Fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each.
A big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.